I'm Miss Emma, and welcome to Epic Sight Words Adventures. Today, we're going to learn some tricky sight words that you see in reading all the time. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we are only focusing on the word was. Say it slowly with me. W-A-S was. This word sounds like was, but it's spelled W-A-S. We use was when we talk about something that happened in the past. For example, I was happy yesterday. That means yesterday I felt happy, not today. Another example. The cat was sleeping. The cat already slept. It's in the past. Say it with me, was. Awesome! Let's try a few together. It was sunny. Say it slowly, it was sunny. Great job! She was at school. Together, she was at school. Fantastic! He was wearing a hat. Say it, he was wearing a hat. Yay! Before we go, friends, we've got a special song just for you.
Oh yeah, it's time to move. Get ready to move with your sight words. Ooh yeah, let's take it to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see the word the O. It's so high, so fly. Jump to and now wave it high, wave it high. Look and see they're shining bright. Ooh yeah, funky words all through the night. Can you dig it? Oh I can. Do you feel it? Yes I am. Groovy words, jamming all around. Groovy words, making funky sounds. Ooh yeah. Say it loud, say it proud. Let it shine, let it shine. Groovy words, they're so divine. Tight is the word, let's keep it tight. So tight. Run it and jump, oh feels so right. Feels right. Up and down, we're grooving through. Ooh yeah. Funky words, just for you. Pick your words, let go and see. To stop your feet to B and B. Step along to can and do. Groovy words, they'll see you through. Ooh yeah, let's take it to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see the word the O, it's so fly, so fly, so fly. Jump to and now wave it high, wave it high. Look and see, they're shining bright. Ooh yeah, funky words all through the night. Can you dig it? Groovy words, they're so divine. Play it, play it. It's the word, let's keep it tight, so tight. Run it and jump, oh feels so right, feels right. Up and down, we're moving through. Ooh yeah, funky words, just for you. Got your words, just for you. Get your words, let go and see. Stop your feet to B and B. Step along to can and do. Groovy words, they'll see you through. Play is the word, let's keep it tight, so tight. Run and jump, oh feels so right, feels right. Up and down, we're moving through. Ooh yeah, funky words, just for you. Ooh yeah, funky words, just for you. Come on, clap your hands to go and see. Stomp your feet to we and be. Snap around to can and do. Groovy words, they'll see you through. Ooh yeah, let's take it to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh yeah, let's take it to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 3.
Woohoo! You did amazing, adventurers! Keep grooving, keep spelling, and remember, every sight word you know makes you even smarter. In part 2, we're going to learn even more sight words, play fun games with them, and dance along to a brand new groove. I can't wait to see you there!